everyone, welcome to a very special video. This is the first time I'm presenting the Zaza language entirely in English. And I'm doing this intentionally because Zazaki deserves to be heard, understood, and respected globally. For me, Zazaki is not just a language. Zazaki is memory, Zazaki is philosophy, Zazaki is a way of understanding life, nature, and human relationships. Languages do not only communicate information, they also carry worldviews. Zazaki carries an ancient way of thinking, a way that connects human being to land, time, and meaning. Today, Zazaki is classified as an endangered language, but an endangered language is not weak at all. It is a neglected wisdom, a quiet treasure that keeps thousands of years of culture, ideas, and human experiences. When a language disappears, a unique way of saying the words disappears with it. This video is a small but important step. By talking about Zazaki in English, I want to show the beauty of the language. Zazaki is special. It has its own rhythm, melody, and rules. It uses masculine and feminine, which gives words and sentences a living character. My goal is simple: to show that Zazaki is alive, that it works in daily life, and that its poetic and logical beauty can be seen in any language. Zazaki is not only from the past, it is here today and can be used in the future. Now, let's learn 17 daily life phrases in Zazaki. Hello, how are you? مرحبا, تسنين. Feminine form, تسنينا. I am fine, thank you.